How to lock or unlock file and folders on Windows. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step process on how you can easily lock or unlock files and folders on your Windows. But before we begin, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified on our latest uploads. So as you can see here, I have a folder on my desktop, and if I want to lock this folder, I'm easily able to open this right now. But if you want to lock any folder, just right click on it, go to its properties, head over to the security tab at the top, and from here you are just going to click on the administrator, click on edit, click on administrator, and then make sure that you deny all of these changes. Click on apply and then click on yes, click on OK, and then click on OK. Now you are not able to open this folder no matter what. Now if you want to access this again, click on properties, do the same thing and just undo all of the steps that you just did. So go ahead and uncheck all of these boxes right here, and then once you do that, click on apply and then click on OK. So do this, click on apply and then OK, click on OK again, and you should be able to access your folder again like this. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.